Which international program has India recently joined as an observer nation? A. Artemis Program. B. Eurodrone Program. C. Global Hawk Initiative. D. Skylark Project. Correct answer is Eurodrone Program. Eurodrone is a four-nation initiative involving Germany, France, Italy, and Spain. The program, led by Airbus Defence and Space, Germany, includes Leonardo, Italy, Dassault Aviation, France, and Airbus, Spain, as major subcontractors. India has, as an observer state, officially joined the Medium-Altitude Long-Endurance Remotely Piloted Aircraft System, MALE RPIS, or Eurodrone program, managed by the Bonn-based Organization for Joint Armament Cooperation, OCCAR, and led by Tofkirchen-based aerospace company Airbus Defence and Space. In which city did Dr.S. Jaishankar recently attend the Quad Foreign Ministers meeting? A. Tokyo. B. Washington. C. Canberra. D. New Delhi. Correct answer is Washington. Indian External Affairs Minister Dr.S. Jaishankar attended the Quad Foreign Ministers meeting in Washington, D.C., the United States of America on the 21st of January 2025. The foreign ministers of the Quad group consisting of India, Japan, Australia, and the United States of America were in the United States of America to attend the swearing-in ceremony of Donald Trump as the 47th President of the United States of America on 20th January 2025. On which date is the 15th National Waters Day being celebrated in India? A. 23rd January. B. 24th January. C. 25th January. D. 26th January. Correct answer is 25th January. The Election Commission of India, ECI, is set to celebrate the 15th National Waters Day, NVD, across the country on 25th January 2025 under the theme, Nothing Like Voting. This year's event will be grander in light of the fact that India's total electorate is approaching 100 crore mark, the ECI stated. What is the theme of the DRDO tableau to be showcased at Republic Day Parade? A. Atmanirbhar Bharat. B. Raksha Kavach. C. India's defense power. D. Mission Shakti. Correct answer is Raksha Kavach. The Indian Army added battlefield surveillance systems and a DRDO tableau showcasing Pralay ballistic missiles to this year's Republic Day Parade. Approximately 5,000 cultural artists will perform along the ceremonial path, ensuring visibility for all. The DRDO will display innovations like quick reaction surface-to-air missiles and advanced artillery systems. Where did the 55th World Economic Forum, WEF, annual meeting commence? A. Geneva, Switzerland. B. Zurich, Switzerland. C. Davos, Switzerland. D. Basel, Switzerland. Correct answer is Davos, Switzerland. The 55th World Economic Forum, WEF, annual meeting commenced in Davos, Switzerland, with the presentation of the prestigious Crystal Awards to three distinguished individuals, David Beckham, Diane von Furstenberg, and Riken Yamamoto. These awards recognize their significant contributions to social, environmental, and creative progress worldwide. In which city was the 6th edition of the International Millets Festival recently held? A. Hyderabad. B. Bengaluru. C. Chennai. D. Pune. Correct answer is Bengaluru. Karnataka is organizing the 6th edition of the International Millets Festival in Bengaluru from 23rd January over 300 processors and manufacturers of millet-based products, farmer producer organizations will be displaying their products during the 3-day event, State Agriculture Minister N. Cheluvrai Savme. The Indian Army recently built 2 Bailey bridges to connect which valleys in Ladakh? A. Zanskar and Pangong. B. Shyok and Nubra. C. Turtuk and Leh. D. Kargil and Dras. Correct answer is Shyok and Nubra. The Indian Army inaugurated 2 Bailey bridges over the Shyok River in Ladakh, improving connectivity between the Shyok and Nubra valleys. These bridges, constructed by Fire and Fury Corps engineers, shorten travel distance by 40 kilometers and cut travel time by 2 hours, proving beneficial especially during harsh winters for local villages. Which organization was awarded the Subhash Chandra Bose Aapda Prabandhan Puraskar 2025? A. Indian Red Cross Society. B. National Disaster Management Authority. C. INCOIS. Correct answer is INCOIS. The Hyderabad-based Indian National Centre for Ocean Information Services, INCOIS, has been selected for the 2025 Subhash Chandra Bose Aapda Prabandhan Puraskar in the institutional category. No individual has been chosen for the award this year. What target has the Indian government set for the number of GI tags by 2030? A. 5,000 GI tags. B. 10,000 GI tags. C. 20,000 GI tags. D. 15,000 GI tags. Correct answer is 10,000 GI tags. The Government of India has set a target of 10,000 geographical indication (GI) tags for the Indian products by 2030. According to the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, DPIT, 605 Indian products have been issued GI tags till date. Darjeeling tea was the first product to be given a GI in 2003. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.